Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace antenna base on RAM 1500, updated. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid shorts. Use an adjustable wrench and trim tool to remove interior trim and access the antenna nut. Spray penetrating oil on stubborn nuts and let it soak for a few minutes. Keep a soft cloth handy to protect paint while levering the old base free and installing the new one. Begin by gently pulling back the headliner trim to reveal the antenna nut and wiring. Unplug the antenna cable and any wiring clips to keep connectors intact. Hold the antenna base firmly as you loosen the mounting nut so it does not drop. Remove the nut and lift the base straight up to free it from the roof opening. Clean the area of old sealant and dirt before preparing to install the replacement base. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more vehicle repair guides. On another note, quick recommendation. The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Robot Face keeps your garage and workspace tidy with voice control and smart mapping, which is perfect after messy installs. Check the description for the link and other deals to save time and effort. Thanks for tuning in. Now let's get back to the video. Apply a thin bead of automotive-grade silicone sealant to the roof opening to ensure a watertight seal. Feed the antenna cable through the hole and seat the new base evenly, then thread the mounting nut and hand tighten to avoid cross-threading. Reconnect the cable and any clips, then reconnect the battery and test radio reception to confirm function. If all is good, reinstall the headliner trim and wipe away excess sealant for a clean finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.